Large surfaces are now easy to clean with this 20-inch surface cleaner pressure washer from NorthStar. It's ideal for quick and easy cleaning of roofs, concrete driveways and walkways, patios, pool decks, or any large concrete area such as schoolyards, factory floors, or parking lots. It delivers a maximum pressure of 5,100 psi with 8 GPM. 3 large wheels make it easy to roll the washer over rough terrain. It handles a maximum temperature of 200 degrees with 2 0-degree nozzles, hose, and gun. With this powerful pressure washer from NorthStar, nothing stands between you and clean concrete.